In the continuation of this tutorial on sources of government revenue, we'll be looking at some issues including the value added tax. We'll be looking at administration of the value added tax. We'll also be looking at the development fund as well as sources of revenue into the development fund and charges against the development fund. We'll also be looking at the contingency fund and charges against the contingency fund. Today, as we go into the discourse on the value added tax, the value added tax is a tax imposed on the value which the supplier or seller of goods and services sells to the buyer. The value added tax is imposed on the value of goods and services before it is sold to the buyer. And value added tax is currently at the rate of 7.5%, although it is being proposed with the tax reform that will soon be in force in Nigeria, that VAT will now be at 10%. But for now, VAT is still at the rate of 7.5%, and value added tax is administered by the Federal Inland Revenue Service. Value added tax is divided as follows: 50% derivation, 35% population, and 15% based on equality. The value added tax is allocated as follows: 50% of VAT is allocated to the state governments, and 35% of VAT goes to the local governments, while 15% of VAT goes to the federal government. The development fund was established to execute capital development projects, and the fund, that is the development fund, receives revenue from contributions from the consolidated revenue fund, as well as external grants, external loans, and internal loans. The contribution from the consolidated revenue fund consists of yearly money transfers from the consolidated revenue fund. The external grants include revenues or income received from foreign countries and amounts received from non-financial institutions. The amounts in the development fund received from external loans are receipts from foreign institutions such as the International Monetary Fund. The development fund also receives inflows from internal loans, and these loans are loans raised and repaid within Nigeria, including long-term loans, development stocks, short-term loans, treasury certificates with 2 years maturity, and treasury bills with 91 days maturity. The charges against the development fund, that is what the development fund is spent on, include aggregate of capital expenditure projects, general administration, and it is also used to finance external financial obligations as well as loans given to the state governments, that's the respective state governments. Then we look at the contingency fund. The contingency fund derives revenue from the consolidated revenue fund, and the contingency fund is used to pay for unforeseen expenditure caused by urgent situations due to natural disasters. The contingency fund is also used where environment is not possible and an application for additional provision shows that the issue of funding cannot be delayed without posing serious injury to public interest. Also, the contingency fund is used when the need cannot be delayed until when a supplementary appropriation act is passed. Thank you.